a 2020 Kia Sorento. One of the headlight bulbs is out, which happens to be that one. That's a low beam, that's high beam, and that's your parking light. In this case, our low beam went out. So these are actually so easy to change. If you look back here, there's a module, and this one here is for the high beam. This one here is for the low beam. That's what we're going to be working on. And then the one down in here is for your parking lights. But in this case, and I'm changing both of them out, both sides, because one side went out and inevitably the other side will go out shortly. So all you got to do is do this cover to the counterclockwise like you're unscrewing a peanut butter jar and just pull it off. Now I'm going to try to flip the camera around. I'll show you what it looks like behind there. Okay, with that cover off, that's what you're looking at. I'm not going to be able to reach my hand in there with the camera there, so I'm going to pull it back out. But that's your bulb. You see the two wires attached there. And we're just going to twist that counterclockwise again, and then it'll pull right out. I'll show you that. Okay, I'm just going to reach in and twist that counterclockwise. And you can pull your bulb out. And then the bulb just pushes off these two connectors. I don't know if I can do this with my one hand or not. Let's see if I can mount the phone somehow. So I just loosened this off camera because I couldn't do it with one hand. But you can see the bulb just plugs in here, and it can only go one way, so you don't have to worry about direction. But you just pull the bulb right out of the socket there, and you can see that the bulb has a shape to it on the bottom there on the base, so that base can only go one way. So let's get a bulb and put it in. Alright, these are the bulbs for the Kia Sorento 2020 headlights, the low beams, H7s. Now when you open these up, don't touch the bulbs with your fingers. You don't want to get the oil from your fingers on the lenses of these bulbs. Alright, let's go put it in. Okay, so here's the bulb, here's the base. And again, this can only go in one way. If you try to put it in backwards, my hand might be in the way, but if you can see, I can't physically put it in backwards. So you just push that down into the contacts like so. Put your base back in the housing, and you'll feel it kind of lock in, and then just give it a little twist clockwise to lock it in. You can hear it snap in, and then put your cover back on, and that's it. So hopefully this helps somebody. I'm going to do the other side. It's the exact same way. It's really a piece of cake. These are some of the easiest headlights I've ever had to change, luckily. So anyway, hope this helps somebody, and we'll see you on the next one.